7 p.m. rap, it's 95 degrees. I ain't got no dick, and no nigga ain't got beat. Let's go, I'm about to show my ass. These niggas love.
Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. So y'all are propped up somewhere dangerous as fuck, but they say anything for the content, right? And I'm trying to, you know, try new things, try different things, have different look. Come on. Anyways, you could have went, but yeah, I'm trying to, you know, give y'all different views, different angles and stuff like that. And this camera is so easy to work with, and that's one of the things that I love the most. But right now I'm on my way to go to my therapy, and then after I'm gonna get my feet washed. Now if y'all see my toes, oh shit, I'm breaking the stop sign. Girl, anyways, if y'all see my toes right now, they're screaming for help. So it's like an hour or two later. As y'all saw, I did my toes and I got white. I really didn't want white, but babe sent his money and said he wants white, so that's what the fuck I'm working with. And I also took my lashes off, y'all, because I'm so freaking annoyed. Like, my wig is a mess, my lash looked a mess. I just feel a fucking mess today. I'm not gonna lie to you, I don't feel my best self today, and I'm not gonna let that, you know, spoil my day. I wanted to go to happy hour before I went to work, but I'm not gonna have enough time. So what I'm gonna do right now is just go to this chicken spot that I'm so obsessed with. I think I'm gonna take y'all to work with me. And ever since I took y'all to work in my other vlogs, like, I just feel so good. I'm not gonna make that like a thing on my channel, but you know, once in a while, here and there, I'll pop in and show you guys, because I don't want it to be repetitive, even though I feel like my vlogs are repetitive. But at the end of the day, that's my real life. Like, these are shit that I get up every day and do. Like, what do you want me to do? Jump off a cliff? It's literally 1 o'clock in the morning, and I was editing my vlog, but I got a couple packages and I'm gonna open them right now. I was gonna wait until tomorrow, but I could just feel it in my bones that tomorrow when I wake up, I'm gonna feel more shittier than I already feel. So let's just jump into this haul. I think this is a backpack for Madison because she's going to school September. So I got her this Nike backpack, and I don't know why I even got her this color, because I could already seen it being dirty like a bus. Really, Amazon? Like, they really just packed this in that big ass bag. But this is my Sol de Janeiro deodorant refill, and I freaking love this deodorant. Like, it smells so good. I got 3 Vaseline body oil, and these are way cheaper on Amazon than if you were to get them in Target. I think Target is selling one of these for $7, and I got all 3 of these for $15. This is a click and twist essential set. And I was just on Pinterest, you know, scrolling, because I be on Pinterest more than I be on TikTok. And you know those little ads that they be having, like those Amazon ads? And y'all, oh my god. So it has 9 attachable pieces. So it came with 3 different size crimper. I'm not really a crimp girl, but I'm gonna put them to the test. It also came with a flat iron slash curling iron, a brush. It came with a couple wands. So let me see how hot this actually gets. And it goes up to 450, like my regular flat eye. Oh shit, bitch. But yeah, I think I'm gonna take me an Advil because I don't want to wake up tomorrow feeling shitty. I just don't. Like, I'm already weak and fucking helpless. So I woke up pretty late today and I'm just sitting on the floor. I've been sitting here for a good 20 minutes. I'm just looking at this drawer. I'm wondering why the fuck it's like this. Cause since I bought my new skincare, I haven't like thrown out what's empty, wipe it out, clean it out, nothing. Also, I'm gonna clean this bathroom today. I don't think I'm gonna record. So yeah, let me get cracking. So this is what I keep my skincare in. This used to be Madison's diaper caddy. Oh my god, I remember those days. But update on the toothpaste, y'all need to go get it. That shit is bomb as fuck. You know, like when you put Parkside in your mouth and you feel it foaming, the toothpaste with the mouthwash, that's the effect it gives. And I feel the extra clean. So from now on, I'm no longer gonna buy the Sensodyne. I'm gonna get into this. Hopefully they'll raise the fucking price. Good morning, y'all. So I had to run and get my camera because I was just laughing to myself just now as I was walking into the kitchen. Because y'all, this is a realistic visual representation of what I look like in the freaking morning. Crusting my eyes, hair look a mess, my robe, strutting with my water bottle, charger, lip gloss, phone, Bible, iPad. So I got my mask on and I'm about to make me some breakfast. And while I make breakfast, I typically use this time to catch up on my vlogs. So I know I have Samicha vlog to catch up on. And I think I have Taylor Love and somebody else, I don't remember. Let me go ahead and get into that. I also need to respond to my comments. That's another thing. I need to work on that. I don't respond to my comments right away because I like to be super chill and in the zone and comfortable. I love you guys' comments, by the way. And if you're a silent watcher, please make yourself be known. Like, say hi. Like, I don't bite.
Yo, I did a whole something.
Good morning. So today I'm gonna do a little maintenance. My hair, my nails, and my lashes by yours truly. And I'm supposed to go out tonight. I have a barbecue to go to. I was supposed to go to dinner, but dinner got canceled. So I'm gonna start the process of bleaching the hair before I brush my teeth and do skincare. So by the time I'm done doing that, it's ready to be washed out. So I got 30 inches. Yeah, I think it's body wave. I don't know, but this the lace. It's not as bad, but it's not the best. I got 13 by 6. Always do, because I love me a deep part. So let's get cooking.
Write down these words. I did a love song for the herbs. Ready, Russian? Ready. When you're gone, when we miss you, you're gone with the blame, with the pistol. When we turn you
I'm fucking drunk. Okay, I'm fucking drunk.
lost if you miss you. Policeman a search with the miss you. Better than what we make a live in a jail. If loving you is a crime. You love it when you roll up. You look good in a charisma when you fall up.
So I didn't pick up the camera yesterday after the barbecue because I had a freaking hangover. But I'm here now, so hey besties. Today's Labor Day. And my siblings are going on a parkway. Unfortunately for me, I'm not gonna go. But y'all, I woke up pissed off. Like, I'm super pissed off. Remember when I said I was gonna do my at-home maintenance? My nails from the dye is green. This fucking hair doesn't keep a fucking curl. Like, I was up until 1 o'clock curling this. What the fuck? But at the end of the day, I guess I get what I paid for. And lately I've been thinking long and hard that I'm gonna start back investing in wigs, because before I used to drop like $700 in a wig. It was worth it. I still do have those wigs. All I need to do is like change the frontal. And also, I'm freaking tired of wigs. I don't know about y'all, but I am. And the thing about it is not like I don't got no fucking hair, but I don't know if you guys remember, but in a couple vlogs back, I was telling you guys about my diagnosis, trichotillomania. So it's just like I wear wigs as a shield from that. So I don't want to go back to you know, doing sew-ins or just letting out my hair, period, and then I relapse, because I've been doing a great fucking job. So that's like the only reason, but I be so freaking irritated. I be irritated with these wigs. I just be fucking over it. And then, y'all, I don't know if y'all could see this black shit right here. According to the girlies, they're no longer using Ebin spray. They're using the Kiss, some Kiss lace bond. Why the fuck did he do this? Baby, I don't know. I'm just so over it. I'm so over it. But I'm just here sitting on this toilet, about to brush my teeth, do my skincare. I started laundry last night. I'm still currently doing it. So I'm gonna just do that. I don't think I'm gonna fool them. And also another thing that's irritating me. Y'all, today's a day of complaining. But my camera is still, you know, doing this dumb shit. Like, I just can't. I just can't. But let me shut the hell up and start my day to be in bed. Yeah. I got back from Madison's dentist appointment. I just ordered me some food.
BLOODCLAAT.
I'm not going to work today. I told my boss that I wouldn't be able to because I have a lot of stuff to do. What the fuck is this in my food? Lord. So my baby has officially started going to school, y'all, and I'm nervous. Like, I'm terrified. Yesterday was her first day, and I took her. Today she took the bus. When I tell you she was yelling, screaming, scratching, grabbing, biting, I had to like go on the bus and assist her. And I hate when, you know, people are dealing with my child and I'm like, okay, let me help you, and they're like, no, it's okay. What do you mean it's okay? No, it's not okay, because it's my child. I know how she reacts and I could calm her down. So yeah, I'm gonna assist. I don't care if that's your job and you're getting paid for it. It's my child, because if you deal with her any type of way, it's gonna be on fucking site. On site. Like, I don't care. But I just got back from the post office because I sold my iPhone, the iPhone 13 that I had. And right now I'm about to go to the mall. I think I'm gonna stop at Primark. I want to stop at Bath & Body because I need some of the wallflower. Yeah, I'm doing fine. I'm just trying to figure out which is the best one. I'm a cactus blossom girl. Yes, I was trying to see something outside of that. Oh, this smells good too. I'm not,
Yeah,
I don't
so
like that.
You really want floral.
Yeah, I smelled this one. It's good too.
Yeah, 1,000 which is good. And this is the one, the apple one or champagne.
All right, thank you. Have a good day. Whew, just got back from the mall, y'all. I didn't get the sneakers that I want for Madison, so I got something completely different. They're cute. I don't know. But I'm gonna go get some food and then head to work. And my shoulders is hurting because I have my bag on this shoulder.